Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin on a desktop browser because full control's live there. Sign in and pick the exact profile you'll edit. Once done, make sure the app or browser is updated. Outdated clients sometimes hide options. You'll also want to close other devices signed into the same profile so settings apply predictably. Now, open Profile and Parental Controls by clicking your profile icon. This first actionable step exposes the preview controls you'll change next, so don't skip it. You're in Profile and Parental Controls. Scroll to Playback Settings and click Change. That's the core control point. Once there, locate two toggles: Autoplay Previews while browsing and Autoplay Next Episode. Turn off the browsing previews to stop short clips, and while you're here, decide whether to disable Next Episode Autoplay too, because both affect how content appears. Make sure to hit save if shown. Changes apply quickly across that profile, but may take a moment to sync to all devices. You've changed the toggles. Now finalize by signing out and back in or restarting the Netflix app to force settings to sync. Then test on the device where previews were a problem. Browse several thumbnails to confirm they no longer autoplay. If previews persist, clear the app cache or browser cache, update the app, and check that you edited the correct profile since profiles don't share that setting. If that still fails, log out of all devices and repeat the change to ensure a clean sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.